Is anyone coming? Maybe they forgot. Today is my birthday. Biscuit, wake up! It's my birthday today! Look at you go! This is gonna be the best day ever! I can't wait! Mom! Everyone's coming to my party!
That's wonderful, sweetie.
I can't wait to see them all! It has to be perfect!
Oh, it looks lovely, honey.
Almost ready? Biscuit, no, not the streamer. There! It looks great! One chair for everyone. This one is the best seat. They're going to love it. I'll make a wish. No, I'll save it for when everyone's here. Hi, Biscuit. Are you excited too? It's going to be the best party. Mom, is it time for the party yet?
Almost ready, sweetie. Just a little longer.
When will everyone get here?
Soon. Go and wait by the door for me.
Okay, I'll watch for them. Mom, I know you said to wait, but come see the table.
Not now, honey. I'm a little busy.
It'll only take a second.
In a bit, sweetie. I promise.
Okay. She's just busy. They'll come. They always come. Right, boy? It's my birthday. They wouldn't forget. Any minute now. Dad? But...
My party? I have to step out. Back soon, buddy.
Okay, Dad. Okay, Dad.
Okay.
Where is everybody? Shh, not now, Biscuit. They said they would come. Maybe they're just late. They're coming. I know it. Hi, Zoe. Are you coming to my party?
Sorry, Theo. I can't come. I have to help my mom with something today. Have a happy birthday, okay? Bye.
Oh. Okay. Bye. Ben? Can you come to my party? I can't right now. I'm helping my dad. Super busy. Okay, gotta go. Bye. Bye. Any minute now. The food is getting cold. They didn't forget, did they? It's okay. We'll just wait a little more. Is it time yet? Hello? Anyone? Where is everyone? Nobody came. Maybe they forgot me. Even on my birthday. What is it, boy? Biscuit, stop. Okay, I'm coming. What's this? Come and see inside the room. What room? Hello? Is someone in there? Hello? Hello? Someone asked me to come and see from inside. Hello? Dad! You came back!
Yes, my boy. Are you ready, buddy? Go on. Open that door.
Okay. What? What is that? So many lights? Whoa. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow.
Surprise! Happy birthday, Theo!
Surprise, sweetheart!
Happy birthday, buddy.
Yeah! I thought you forgot me.
Oh, sweetheart, we could never forget you.
But nobody came.
We were all here, getting ready for you.
Thank you, Mom.
I love you.
See? We weren't too busy for you. We were making all of this.
So that's why everyone was so busy.
Mom was baking, I was getting your friends.
You never forgot. You were getting ready for me.
You're all here, so you all were just make fake excuses. Ha 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 ha, I didn't even realize.
We'd never miss it.
Happy birthday, Theo!
This is the best surprise ever!
Come on, sit with us. Happy birthday, sweetheart. Make a wish.
Wow. It's beautiful. Thank you, Mom. This is the best birthday surprise I ever had.
We love you, honey.
I'm making my wish. I wished for a day just like this. Thank you, everyone. I love you all. Best birthday ever!